Hi, I'm Teena Sagar and subscribe to my channel for more amazing DIY videos. This video is about block printing at home. So let's get into the video without wasting any time. Step 1 is place any material that can absorb the water onto the flat surface. I am using the blotting paper here. Now step number 2 is place your fabric. I am using the cotton fabric and I have drawn a rectangle. Now I am drawing the diagonal line so that I can find the midpoint where I will start printing from the blocks. Yes, we are about to start, but before that we need some other materials. So here is the color plate. Then we need the wooden blocks. If you don't have the wooden blocks, you can create your own blocks by using vegetable or so many other things. There are a lot of videos available on YouTube. Then I am using the fabric grill colors. Then we need the sponge. It will help to spread the color onto the block. Then I am taking out the paint. Use your sponge and dab the colors onto the wooden blocks. For smooth printing, you need to spread the color evenly so that it will give you the smooth print. Now take your colored wooden block and place over the fabric where you want to start your design. Now tap with your palm or fist. Now your block print is ready. Then I repeated the whole process with the same steps and get this design printed. Then I'm using here the second block with green color. Remember, all the same step need to follow. And here is the design. Then after that I moved on to the center part, and this is the whole center part I have created using the same block. This is the beauty of the wooden blocks. So it is ready, overall design that I wanted. Here is the final look. Then after that, just let it dry. You can hang it on wall after framing it, and it's totally up to you. You can use your creativity and create as many as amazing designs using these two or any blocks that you have. And if you guys like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more amazing video. Comment down below. This is the block print mess I created, and thank you so much guys for watching and supporting my channel. Thank you so much. See you next time.